In this video, I'll show you how to get a PayPal virtual card online. The first thing you need to do is make sure you already have a PayPal account. Go to paypal.com, log in, and make sure your account is fully verified by providing all the required details, including your name, address, and any necessary documents if they ask for verification. Without a verified account, you won't be able to move forward. Once your account is ready, the next step is to head over to a special site connected to PayPal, which is paypal-prepaid.com. This is where you can order the PayPal prepaid card, which works like a virtual debit card that connects directly with your PayPal balance. On the homepage, you'll see the option that says Order Your Card. Tap on it, and it will open a form for you to fill out. Here you'll need to enter your personal details such as your first and last name, your street address, zip code, email address, and some basic financial information. They may also ask a few simple questions about direct deposits and whether you'd like to use PayPal prepaid balance transfers. Make sure to answer all of these correctly. Another nice feature is that you can choose your card design. There are several color options available, including blue, white, gradient colors, and even pink if you prefer something more personalized. After you've filled out everything, simply click Order Your Card. Now, once you've submitted your application, PayPal will process your request. Usually, it takes about 7 to 15 business days for the physical card to arrive in the mail. But in the meantime, you'll also get access to a virtual card number that you can use online once your account is set up. When your physical card does arrive, you need to go back to paypal-prepaid.com and select Activate Card. Enter the card number and security code, and your PayPal virtual and physical card will be ready to use. That's it. Now you know how to get your PayPal virtual card online and link it with your PayPal balance to shop, pay, or transfer money securely. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.